Hey, Sam here, welcome to this video for InstaSuite, and I'm excited to show you this. This is really an all-in-one solution for your business. It includes everything that you could possibly need to go out there and run your business. Now, InstaSuite isn't a new software to the marketplace. It's been around for a very long time, which is one of the reasons that I'm excited to show you this. There's been a number of features that have been added since the last time this software went out, and because it's been around for so long, you know it's going to be really good. They've continued to build InstaSuite. The owner, Susanna Teresa, she's been building it for a long period of time, and it's one of the reasons that it now has a funnel builder, it now has a membership builder, it now has a blog builder, a list builder, an affiliate center, a support desk as well. So you can run your entire business if you really wanted to through this platform if you wanted to. You've got a funnel builder, so you can actually build out sales funnels. You can go in here, you can choose to add certain pages, you can choose what kind of funnel you want to build. Sales funnel, for example, choose how many upsells you want, choose a name for your product. It could be laptop startup, for example, and you can build your funnel through this system. It then includes a sales page, includes an upsell, a downsell, and any details that you could want to add in here. Now, also as part of this, what you can do is you can actually choose which templates you want to build off, and you can start building off those pages as well, saving you some time. The builder is also really easy to use, and there's a new funnel sequence generator that I'll be able to show you in just a moment as well. So you can choose one of these themes. We'll just choose a random one here today. We'll choose to manage our pages. We've chosen our theme. It's now loading, and it's now going to load up the editor. This editor is really easy to use. You simply select what you want to edit. You choose to edit the settings. You can adjust the text here. You can adjust your logos. Anything within the system is editable, as you can see right here. I can edit the text. I can then click tick. I can add green boxes, I can add other additional elements if I want, or different sections, and I can then go ahead and publish. It's mobile responsive. I can even do split testing through this, so I can split test multiple variations. And you can also preview different pages that you create as well with this eye up here. You can save, and you can go ahead and publish. Now when you go ahead and publish, it's going to publish your website right away to online, and you can then go ahead and cross it, and it's going to provide you with a link to your own page, which is really cool because it means you don't have to worry about hosting. You've got your page ready to go right here. You could go ahead and you could basically grab your upsells. You can find out more or add more information about that, and you can grab details from the other parts of this and add them into these different components, which means that it's a full system that works within itself, connects everything up together, and makes it really easy to use. You also have the ability to build membership websites. You can actually set up your own membership website through here. You can take in members, you can charge those members, you can set up products within here as well, you can add new products, and you can actually integrate your InstaSuite account with a number of different payment gateways out there. So for example, you could choose out of many different options. JVZoo, if you're looking to market over JVZoo, you're wanting to sell over JVZoo, which is how I sell and how many other people sell as well, you can actually go ahead and you can choose that as your provider for this membership website. You can process payments through JVZoo. You can use this secret key to connect up with your JVZoo account and automate the whole process of selling your membership site as well. We've also got the ability to do through this is you can choose to set up your products, you can manage members, you can add discounts and coupons. So it really makes the whole process really quite easy, and it's all available in one dashboard. You've also got a blog builder. Now this is if you want to rank your website in Google, for example. So if you're building a membership website and you're looking to build this long term, one of the best ways long term to build traffic and generate traffic for your website is with Google. I don't need to tell you that, you probably already know. Now you can choose a theme for your blog, you can add your blog to your website, you can customize it, you can add different menus. You can then go ahead if you want to, and you can go and optimize it for your SEO. You can also post different posts to your blog through using this post generator right here. Also, and there's so much I'm not even halfway through, list builder. Now if you don't yet have an email marketing solution, or you want an email marketing solution that actually integrates with everything inside of InstaSuite, this is a good solution. You can connect up with one of the many different integrations that can be offered for email marketing. You can say, for example, if I was to go into, this is it here, if I was to go into autoresponders, you can actually connect this up, or you can hook in InstaSuite with these different email autoresponder providers. You can also use, if you wanted to, you can actually go ahead and create a list. You can hook it up with many of the bulk email services, such as SendGrid, I believe, through the SMTP setup. A little bit more complex, but that's available as well. You could also connect this up with Amazon SES, I believe, and again, you can go here and click here for your different integrations, integrate your email autoresponder through the API and your different connections. Now, this is a little bit more complicated. I would recommend going through the training. You can go to the Help Center here for this step because it is a little complicated. There isn't too much to it, but there is a few things you need to know in order to do it. Now you've got an affiliate center as well, so you can actually go ahead, you can manage your affiliates through this center here as well, and you can basically email affiliates through the center here as well, which is really quite useful. So you can enter in your details, you can enter in your address, for example, you could enter in an email, enter in your name, you could enter in your signature, and then you can go ahead submit. Now what this is going to do is any affiliates that get generated in through a form that you put on your JV page, which you can integrate into your funnel builder, it's going to send out emails to those JVs notifying them of your launch, what's happening, and you can choose which email server you want to send out that from. You've also got notification emails you can send out to affiliates to remind them about your launch and notify them of anything else as well. You can manage your affiliates, you can manage your payouts. Now, I personally recommend this type of affiliate center for private promotions. It's not a marketplace. There's no way to feature your product, so it ranks highly. But it is a useful tool, and it's something that can integrate really well with these solutions. I'd personally, if I was looking to grow my InstaSuite business or website, I'd probably use JVZoo for that because you've then got a bunch of buyers and affiliates that can hook into the system. The good thing about InstaSuite is it doesn't limit you. It doesn't say you have to use their system. You can actually use other systems and plug into it as well. Now, another handy feature is the support desk. Again, if you want to, you can go ahead and enter in your email, you can go and enter in your name, you can enter in a signature, and you can actually have people, you can actually go ahead and have auto support messages go out as people send in support tickets. You can set up staff, so I could set up multiple staff if I wanted to. I could set up canned responses. There's kind of like Zendesk actually. You've got your support desk URL here, and you can even choose a theme for your support desk. So currently there's one theme that you can customize. You can build off this, and this is the theme. This is what it looks like. So people can search for different tickets. They can create a ticket, and then you've got statistics, which again will have a useful part. If you're looking to generate more visitors and you're looking to monitor how those visitors are converting, then I highly recommend checking out this because it gives you all of the different details about your visits. Because everything's put inside of one system with InstaSuite, it makes it really easy to track what's going on. So, I highly recommend having a look at this, taking a closer look at the different statistics when you get in here. You can even generate or show, it even shows your revenue that you've generated and the new members you have as well as part of this. And generate sales reports, visitors by device, visitors by location, traffic sources, which is another useful step, and all of that's done through this one system. Now, I'm really only just scraping the surface of what you can do with InstaSuite. One of the major upgrades that has happened is there's actually this visual editor that's come into InstaSuite. Now, you'll be able to see this on the sales page. The visual editor itself is really quite improved. And there's also the ability to build funnels within the system. So you can actually create funnels within the system. So if you go to creating funnels, for example, where is it? Funnel pages. You can basically, and there's a new feature that's come out, and it basically gives you the ability to go ahead, and if you want to, you can basically go ahead and drag and drop what pages you want to be added into your funnel. So if I was to go over to here, for example, I was to go back into our funnel builder, and then I was to go ahead and I was to click add new, I can go ahead and if I wanted to, I could actually fully customize this funnel as I wanted to. I'll go to sales, I'll go and I'll put in maybe 2, next, build my funnel. Cool, so here it is here. So what you can do is you can basically, you've got a visual editor here now. This is what I wanted to show you in the section before. And you can actually choose to add, and this is quite cool, to add where people are going to go once they go ahead and purchase. So say for example you want to match someone up, you can go ahead and say yes or no, and you can actually drag this to where this is going to be. So if you've got another funnel icon that's going to be happening underneath here, or you've got something else, you can actually drag it so it actually shows after someone says yes where they're going to go. If someone says no, again, you could plus this in. This is a down sell. If someone says no, you can go ahead and you can drag this again over to here. and you start to build out a little bit of a funnel. So you know that if someone says yes, we'll put this down here, put this down here, we can drag this over here. That's the start of our funnel. We can start to play around with it. And what happens is basically you're building out your sales funnel. So your sales page here, you've got your upgrade page here, you've got your OTO here, you've got your downsell one here. This flow will automatically happen when you create your pages once you've generated this flowchart. And it means that you're going to save a huge amount of time connecting up all of your different funnel items with the system, which is really quite cool. Someone says yes, they go to thank you. Someone says no, they go to the thank you. If someone says yes again, they go to thank you. If someone says no, they go to thank you. So that's a fully built funnel that we've just created. I didn't have to get into any code. I just dragged and dropped what I wanted. And they've even got a no thanks page here, link here that I can put at the bottom. So really cool feature, and one of the new features within this system as well. Thanks for listening. I hope you're excited by what you see here. I think it's a really cool software that Suzanne has put together, and I think that it'll do really well if you actually get access to this. It covers so many different elements that you need in an online business. It's when you get access to this, you realize how much of a good deal this is, because you do get so much. I mean, I think about how much I'm spending right now for all the different components of my business, and this would save a significant amount of money. So something to think about. If you want to go down below, you can find out more, and I look forward to talking with you again soon. See you later.